Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Brother, I must tell you this thing ki, you have started very young as a child artist. It's not easy because, as a child artist, and I love to have this conversation with especially people who started very young in the field is because, I sometimes feel on a personal level कि यार ये लोग जो है ना कि इंडस्ट्री में जो लोग बच्चे होके आते हैं वो लोग ज्यादा जल्दी matured हो जाते हैं, which is my feeling. Because you sacrifice a lot of things of your own childhood because कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ होना पड़ता है. So what do you think you have had to sacrifice to get what you have got so far?
I think yes, there have been many sacrifices, but वो sacrifices जो है ना वो it's worth it. It's all worth it. If I was asked to do it again, I would do it 10 times over. Because it matters कि जैसे अगर कोई बच्चा 5 साल का है 6 साल का है, he is watching सचिन तेंदुलकर, मुझे क्रिकेटर बनना है, he is watching शाहरुख खान और he is watching नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग, तो वो अपने सपने के लिए वो कुछ भी करने के लिए तैयार है.
Absolutely.
So that was my dream.
Chasing your dreams, with full conviction, full efforts, you're chasing your dreams, and I'm sure you chase that as well, which is why you're talking to me. But
I'm still chasing.
Of course, but you have pretty much come forward. But I want to ask you this.
Master Bhai is here. I will just. Jigyas is also here.
Yeah,
Jigyas
your friends are joining. Yeah, I must tell this thing. You said something interesting. You said something interesting कि it's all about a lot of people, youngsters. हम लोग देखते हैं सचिन तेंदुलकर बोलो या फिर शाहरुख खान सर बोलो या फिर anyone who has actually made the country proud on a global level. From your perspective, whom did you see as an inspiration जिसको देख के तुम्हें लगा कि बॉस मेरे को एक्टर बनना है?
शाहरुख खान and उसके पहले माइकल जैक्सन. I'll tell you, for the first time ever since his IWM bus and it's Siddhartha's baby, I have some attachment towards this company. My mom, in her college days, in her locker room, she had a photo of Michael Jackson.
Okay.
And she used to do Aarti of MJ. Of course, she was about 20, 21, 19, 18, around that level in college, first year, second year. So, and then after that, I was like 4 or 5 years old, and she used to tell me stories about how she bunked college, a studious. She's a principal right now. She bunked college to watch DDLJ in 1995.
Whoa, dude!
So
that's amazing.
So I think that's in India, cinema and cricket are the only these two things.
Absolutely.
That can have that kind of a magic in the heart of an Indian citizen.
Absolutely, and I think.
By the way, I just 1 second. I need to acknowledge. Jigyasa. Jiggy, tell him left eye small. They are all cracking internal jokes here. Hi, Vani.
No. It's all welcome and it's all hunky dory. अगर live conversations में दोस्त लोग नहीं जुड़ेंगे तो कौन आएंगे? तो But it's a very important point that you said, brother. कि cinema जो है या फिर sports जो है, it all has a lot of it has a deep impact in everyone's mind and heart. So it's a very correct statement. But personally, did you feel attached to acting because you felt on celluloid TV में शाहरुख खान के movies देख के, did you feel it that way या फिर आपको acting के लिए मतलब what was the thought behind actually going towards this profession? Was it the fact that you wanted to become like a star that way? बचपन में यार सब allowed है. Once you grow old, you realize कि नहीं star ऐसे नहीं बनते. A lot has to do with destiny, a lot has to also do with your hard work. But बचपन में when you first decided कि नहीं actor बनना है, तो दिल में क्या था कि star बनना है या फिर actor बनना है? बचपन का I'm telling you.
दिल में एक ही चीज होती है किसी के भी बच्चे के दिल में, और वही होनी चाहिए, वही सबसे करेक्ट चीज है कि आसमान छूना है.
करेक्ट.
किसी भी बच्चे के दिल में ये चीज होना बहुत जरूरी है कि मुझे आसमान छूना है, सितारा छूना है, जहाँ कोई नहीं गया है मुझे वहां जाना है.
करेक्ट.
सो हाँ, बचपन में मेरे दिल में यही था कि शाहरुख खान बनना है, सुपरस्टार बनना है, और उसके तरफ ही काम चल रहा है अभी भी. I'd be lying. I can choose to be politically correct and say कि नहीं, it's just actor, it's just work.
What about
आप
politically
कैसा काम
correct? We
कर
want
रहे
those
हो?
honest answers coming.
हाँ, नहीं, but I'm always honest. भाई स्टार बनना है, स्टार बनना है, इसलिए नहीं, not for the fame and the money. Fame will go away, the money will go away. But the emotions that, the power of making someone smile. एक आर्टिस्ट का मैं समझता हूँ सबसे बड़ा काम यही है कि किसी के जिंदगी में, किसी के चेहरे में एक मुस्कुराहट लाना, भले वो 1 सेकंड के लिए भी हो. टेंशन तो सब दे देते हैं, बट मुस्कुराहट जो ला सकता है वही बादशाह हो जाता है.
I think it's a very fair point, and I think nobody has told me, like, a lot of people जिन लोगों को भी मैंने पूछा है, I think nobody has looked at it this way, मतलब किसी ने मुझे ऐसा कहा नहीं है पहले कि as an artist, not just because I don't want to be a star just because of the money and the fame, but also because I want to bring a smile on someone's face. So I think it's a very sweet point. So I hope कि इंशाल्लाह आप जरूर उस चीज में कामयाब रहो आगे, and you have already done that from a very tender age. I'm pretty sure you're going to do that as well in the future. But tell me something, एक fans का सवाल है यहाँ पे, किसी ने पूछा था मुझे यहाँ पे, and I saw that question, so I must ask you this thing. It's very inspirational, the fact that from a very young and tender age you have become an entrepreneur. It's not easy because it has its own challenges for even people who are late in their 30s and 40s and all. So let alone your age. So when you actually started, what was like the thought process, and how did you actually overcome because difficulties तो यार आएंगे, that is the only thing that is common, right, in a human being's world. But how did you overcome those difficulties?
I think it's this entrepreneurship is one of my favorite topics, and I really keep talking with my friends who are of my age or even who are in 25, 26 years old. And you also look like 24, 25 only.
Yeah, I am 24.
24. Okay.
Yeah.
So I keep telling them it is very important for you to have a additional source of income, not a plan B. People mistaken by plan B. You should never have a plan B. You should have a plan A. अगर आप बाजार में जा रहे हो आलू खरीदने के लिए, तो आप ये नहीं बोलोगे कि आलू नहीं मिला तो मैं टमाटर ले लूंगा. आप आगे जाओ, आलू मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. आलू दुनिया में है, आपको इतना मालूम है, तो मिलेगा ही ना. किसी और ने अगर वो सपना आपका अचीव किया है तो आप भी कर ही सकते हो.
Absolutely.
इंसान ही. So yeah, for entrepreneurship, I feel I failed 5 businesses before the 6th one became successful. And that was necessary. And our schools, one tip, if I would just want to give away very quick, is just that our school system teaches us not to fail, not to make mistakes. I would tell you, if you're in the age group between 15 to 25, make as many mistakes as possible, as long as it doesn't hurt anybody. It should be ethical, moral, and responsible. Make as many mistakes as possible and fail as fast as possible.